हिला नदी ये खूबसूरत सी नदी की ओर ले जाते हैं. This is called such a beautiful, calm place, chirping of birds, and just the water sound. So therapeutic and so healing. What else one wants to keep the body, mind, soul healthy? And I am here at, I've reached Gopeshwar and I'm here at Mandal and Gopeshwar Dham. Such a beautiful experience. Gopeshwar Shiva is a Shiva who went to dance as a gopi with Shiva. And there is also in Vrindavan also there is Gopeshwar Mandir. And Gopeshwar here in Gopeshwar Dham, there is a Swayambhu Lingam. And there is a oldest bronze statue of Manu and all other, Parvati is there in her glory, and all other gods are present. Ganesha, all other gods are present there. And this is also a place, a sacred seat for 6 months, 7 months for Rudranath, one of the Pancha Kedars. And the toughest trek, very difficult trek of about 18 to 20 or 22 kilometers, rough trek of Rudranathi, where Shiva, when he disappeared, he did not want to come in front of Pandavas because Pandavas were doing prayers, penance for seeking forgiveness. And finally, when Shiva had to go down to the prayers, when he came in the form of hundreds of bulls and he was one among them. But he found out and he tried to touch as fast as he was running, tried to touch, and immediately he became huge, transformed, and he in his appearance appeared at Pashupati Nath, and in 5 places he appeared. So all those 5 places are called the sacred Panchakeda, and Rudranath is one of them, where rarest of Swayambhu Lingam, which has the face of Shiva. And that face of because Shiva Lingam is a lingam. It's what most of the place like Swayambhu. So it's like a shape, ovalish, longish shape, or sometimes roundish shape. But here in Rudranath, the Swayambhu Lingam has a face, which is very rare and one of its own kind to have face. And Swayambhu Lingam is there, but because of heavy snowfall during the winters, they bring Shiva from there and they keep the statue of Shiva, Ucho Murti, from there, and they keep it here at Gopeshwar or Gopinath Mandir, and the puja is conducted here. And these are the days, and today morning we witnessed such beautiful experience of where Rudranathji, his statue was taken, Bhagwan was taken from there, and he was carried to a upstairs hall. He was decorated, all the pujas were done, and thereafter the palki will take him, and in such a beautiful way, the procession will take place, and Shiva, as Rudranath, will reach his abode, his home, Rudranath, and everything. All this is in beautiful Devabhumi of Uttarakhand. Jai Devabhumi and blessings. And I invite all of you to come here to Gopeshwar and all the other sacred places. If you ask me, I can tell you so many sacred places are hardly visited, highly, where you really feel the presence in every which way. So, see you with more details later.